Yes, greetings to you all. Yeah, I welcome you all to the Legal Charity. I kindly request you to subscribe. Today we are going to look at a very interesting offense under criminal law, and that's common assault. Of course, there are very many offenses against persons, and of course, I'll be talking on the rest in the next video. Okay, but we are going to look at common assault. What is comprised, and as a law student or any other person out there, what are some of the things that you should look at before you open up a suit on someone? Before you start a case on common assault, what are some of the things you should consider? Okay. Common assault, for the purposes of authority, lawyers speak with evidence. It is provided for under section 218 of the Penal Code. Okay. So what you need to know about common assault, someone causing fear to someone. So if you cause fear to someone, that is an offense. Okay. If you raise a fist, that is assault. Why are you raising a fist in the first place? You cause a fist, then you cause a fist, I fear. You cause me fear. So that is common assault. So I'll open up a case on you. Okay. So what you should know that assault is common assault is divided into two. Common assault, there is assault, just you don't touch me, but by the mere fact of you threatening me, why would you point at me? You point at me, I develop fear, that is an offense. I go to the courts of law. Okay? Then battery. However slight you touch me with your hand, or you slap me, or you do what? Those are two offenses. First of all, you first pointed at me, I'm going to beat you. I feared. You caused the fear. Then second of all, you came and punched me. Those are two offenses. Battery and assault. That's why you see people when they are taken to court, they always have count 1, count 2. They always have a number of offenses. So for you pointing at me, I'm going to beat you, that's one offense. You coming and you punch me, that is the second offense. So assault and battery have been committed at the same time. Okay? So you should know, I think that one is clear. Okay? Some of the ingredients, of course, you should look at causing fear to someone. Unlawful act. There is unlawful act. Of course, I don't think the law allows you to point at someone like maybe with threatening them. The law does not allow you to threaten someone. It's unlawful. Okay? Then causing fear. The victim has to fear because of your act. So if there is fear, you just know that then assault will stand. Okay? Then the grievous bodily harm. Yeah, if it's there, then that also takes us to another offense. As I've told you, these offenses are there are many. Of course, we shall look at all of them, but you look at those ingredients. If there is fear, you cause the fear. There is threatening, and the threat is unlawful. Those three things, you caused me fear in the first place, pointing at me, threatening me, and it's unlawful. Okay, so you will succeed when it comes to common assault. There is a very interesting case of Smith versus a superintendent of working police station, where the defendant, this gentleman, stood in the window as this lady was in her room. And the woman, when the woman saw this gentleman, the woman developed fear. Yes, do you know being in your room and you see someone in the window? That alone caused the fear. So the woman developed fear and had to go and report. That is common assault. And indeed, she succeeded. Court looked at fear. Yes, she feared that this person might be dangerous to me. So by you standing in the window when I'm inside and you cause me fear, you'll be held liable for common assault. Okay? So we are going to look at other offenses relating to like offenses against person. As we are going to see, there are very many offenses: grievous bodily harm, unlawful wounding, assault occasioning actual bodily harm. All of these offenses, they fall under here, and we are going to look at one by one. In my next video, I'm going to try to summarize all of them. Yeah, I thank you all for following. I kindly request you to subscribe.